All right, let's start with, in fact, the big name as far as this entire NCB probe is concerned. Actor Deepika Padukone, who has been, in fact, summoned by the NCB, and she will be appearing before the agency tomorrow. Now, she, in fact, has left Goa for Mumbai and is expected to arrive in the maximum city any moment. Now, she has already replied to the NCB notice saying she will join the drug probe. The actor had to cut short her Goa trip where she was shooting for an upcoming film. The Bollywood star, whose drug chats with her manager went viral, is set to appear before the NCB tomorrow. The drug chats with manager Karishma date back to October 2017. Soon after the NCB summons yesterday, Deepika consulted her lawyers for further action. Deepika's manager Karishma was earlier summoned by the NCB but did not show up. She will accompany the actor to Mumbai and will be grilled by the NCB on the same day as Deepika Padukone. Deepika's chats show that she sought hashish from her manager for a party at Coco Club. Deepika has asked Karishma if she had mal. But ladies and gentlemen, remember, so far all this is based on the WhatsApp chats. For the NCB, it is going to be imperative that they are able to back this up with physical evidence as well. Going across to my colleague Pankaj Upadhyay, who is at the Mumbai airport, waiting for Deepika Padukone to, in fact, arrive at any moment. All right, before we go to Pankaj, let me also bring in my colleague Devesh, who's with us here on the broadcast. Devesh is also at the NCB office. Devesh, quite understandably, massive media interest because of the curiosity, the interest people have in entire Bollywood, this drug net. But the fact is, Devesh, that Deepika Padukone, who is going to come tomorrow is going to be very important for the agencies if they are able to take their investigation forward from the WhatsApp chats.
Yeah, Ankit, this is going to be a very important day for the Narcotics Control Bureau's SIT, which is probing the Bollywood drug link. And Deepika Padukone, A-lister, one of the top actresses of Bollywood, is being probed. She has been called to record her statement. She's been asked to join investigation. And this is on basis of WhatsApp chat between Karishma Anand and Deepika Padukone, where Deepika can be seen asking for hashish from Karishma Anand. Karishma Anand is a talent manager with Quant Talent Management, and she has been handling Deepika's account for her agency, and she has also been summoned. She will also likely join investigations tomorrow. But as of now, Narcotics Control Bureau is not leaving any stone unturned to gather evidence on basis of WhatsApp chats, testimonies, witness statements, and everything that they could secure. Remember, Narcotics Control Bureau, when they started this investigation, they started a reverse investigation. They initially nabbed peddlers. They initially got in touch with several suppliers who were arrested, and then they started recording statements of several others like Shovik, Ria, Samuel Miranda, Deepesh Sawant, who were later placed under arrest. And now the SIT probe could go the same way.
All right. So the modus operandi so far, as far as the NCB is concerned in this investigation, has been from peddlers to, in fact, reach the managers or the people, those who are associated with the big stars. And then from there, they have been, in fact, calling all these big shot A-listers as far as Bollywood is concerned. But, Devesh, by when are we expecting Deepika Padukone to land up in Mumbai? And tomorrow, at what time is she expected to come here at the Narcotics Control Bureau makeshift office?
Ankit, sources tell us that Deepika has left Goa and she might land any moment in Mumbai. And she's been asked to appear before the NCB at around 11 a.m. at the very same makeshift office of NCB, which is at the Mumbai Port Trust Guest House near Gateway of India. She will be grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau's SIT, Special Investigation Team, created by the NCB to probe this case, to probe when the Enforcement Directorate shared disclosures of Ria Chakravarti's WhatsApp chats regarding banned narcotics and drugs. after which this SIT was created, while Mumbai NCB was probing the primary case concerning Riya Chakrabarti and others. SIT has now launched a probe to investigate the Bollywood drug ring.
All right, Devesh, stay on with me. Let me just, for the benefit of our viewers, let me just show you around what is happening outside the NCB makeshift office here in Mumbai. Let me just give you a sense of the kind of media, in fact, Jamhuri, which is all across here. You can see a lot of, in fact, media vans and the reporting which is going on. While views are divided with the kind of attention this entire issue is getting, but one cannot deny the fact that there is massive curiosity given the kind of names which have surfaced as far as this entire case is concerned. Meanwhile, let's now also tell you about the other actors, those who are also being summoned by the NCB. And today it was Rakul Preet Singh, who was supposed to, in fact, appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau. But there was confusion, there was a high drama where she in fact said that she has not received any summon. It was the NCB team which had to go to Rakul Preet Singh's residence and deliver those summons. She has finally accepted the summons. Now she would also be questioned tomorrow. Now, Rakul Preet Singh's name came and she has been under the scanner after she was named by Riya Chakrabarti during her questioning by the NCB. Her name was also revealed by Quon talent manager Jaya Saha, who in fact, at least at this point of time, emerges as one of the central crucial link, the very fulcrum of this entire investigation of the NCB, where she has been connected to not one but more than one Bollywood superstars, and of course through her there are various connections which are being made as far as this entire investigation is concerned. Let me go across to my colleagues Vidya and Devesh. Devesh continues to be with us. Vidya is also joining us at this moment. Vidya, you know, Rakul Preet Singh, a full drama played out. She was expected to be present here today. Then we heard that the summons have not reached her. Finally, she has acknowledged the summons. When are we expecting her to be questioned by the NCB?
Well, the NCB had asked her to come over immediately on receipt of the entire summon, but with her declaring that it was not, she had not received it, she clearly did buy some time. But well, at the earliest, if she does not really appear, then the NCB can take matters into their hand, and which could actually prove quite, would not certainly hurt her case. But at this point, yes, the NCB is also giving her some time. There, it is decided that she will come to the NCB office at the earliest, and and will answer each and every question according to the legal. Remember, Rakul Preet was also the person who had actually filed petitions against media for actually going ahead and naming her, while she had not done anything of that sort that she had claimed. But well, at this point, she clearly will have to appear before the NCB, and the legal help that she has been receiving, the legal advisors of hers have asked her to appear before the NCB as and when she can.
Right, Vidya, stay on with me. Let me also go across, in fact, to our colleague Saurabh Bhaktania, who is at the Mumbai airport. And Saurabh, earlier I was, asking Devesh the same thing, but I just want to understand from you, Deepika Padukone has in fact left from Goa. She would be landing in Mumbai. By when is she expected? And since she is going to be questioned tomorrow, is there some, meeting or anything that she has lined up with her lawyers? Because it will be a very, very important grilling as far as this entire case is concerned.
Well, Ankit, this has become very interesting. First of all, because the drug set which came out of Deepika Padukone and Karishma, both of them were in Goa. The other actor who was also in Goa, that was Sara Ali Khan. Now, very importantly, when Deepika Padukone left from Goa, she took a turn from one particular way and she left for the Goa highway. Now, she has not taken the charter flight. The information which we have learned from the Goa airport is that no charter flight has taken off. A very important thing, Ankit. Now, there is another small airport which is at around 2.5 hours from Goa. That is called a Chipi airport. That's in Maharashtra. So we are expecting that if she gets to this particular airport, she may take a private charter from that particular airport. So once she takes the flight from Chipi airport, it's around 30 to 40 minutes from there, and she will be here at the Mumbai airport. You can see this is the special VVIP gate number 8 of the Mumbai airport. The people who lands here by the charter aircraft, they come out from this particular gate. We are expecting that she may arrive over here, but it will take time, definitely few hours from now. But she is definitely in touch with all her legal team. We are also said that she will be directly going to her house in Worli area, where the legal team personally will be presenting, and she will be going through tough questioning by the teams as well, because she has to be prepared when NCB put forth all the questions, because those questions will be very tough, because they will be putting out all the tough questions to her, because they have all the evidences. Deepika cannot evade those questions, and she has to answer all those questions. And she will also be jointly questioned with Karishma. So tomorrow be a very important day in this whole drug case in the Bollywood, and therefore Deepika will be definitely prepared to answer those questions with her legal team.
Right. Okay, so she might have not taken a flight from the Goa airport, but she might have, as you're saying, that there is another airport that she possibly could have taken off from. What about Sara Ali Khan and others? Have they arrived already in Mumbai?
Sara Ali Khan should be out in some time, because remember, there are only 2 flights in the afternoon. One is at around 2:30 and 3, and therefore she should be out from the Mumbai airport in just some time. But this was very surprising, Ankit, because nobody knew where Sara Ali Khan was, because we were trying to trace her. Now it's suddenly we get visuals exclusively to India Today that she was at the airport at Goa. She was boarding a flight to Mumbai, therefore, which means that how these actresses whose name have come up in the whole drug case are well prepared, because they know once they have been questioned separately, they will also be questioned together, and therefore this is why all of them may be in Goa and now arriving in Mumbai, because tomorrow is the big day wherein Deepika Padukone, Karishma, along with whose chat had come out, along with Rakul Preet Singh. We should not forget Rakul Preet Singh, because she is also a top Bollywood actress, also well-known figure in South Indian film industry. She had actually said that she never got summoned, but she can't evade like this. NCB clearly said that they reach out to her, but she did not respond to the summons issued to her. Now finally she has said that yes, I have got summoned and I'll be joining the probe tomorrow. So big day tomorrow for the film industry if we concern, and not just the Bollywood industry, Ankit. It is also about the South Indian film industry, because Rakul Preet Singh is a big name in Bollywood industry,
the sandalwood,
also in the South Indian film industry.
Drug net,
so tomorrow,
which, there is a big flutter as far as the Southern Indian film industry is concerned, where the investigations are on. But one person who actually appeared here at the makeshift NCB office here at the guest house, in fact.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.